In the last days, millions of computers have been affected by the update sent by CrowdStrike. So when you try to put on your device, it's going to go directly to blue screen. But in this video, I'll be showing you how to actually fix that issue. First of all, when you restart your device, you want to make sure that you press the F8 on your device or the Del key on your keyboard to go to the recovery option of your Windows operating system. But if you have access to the safe mode, you can also log on onto your device using the safe mode and then browse to the following location I'll be showing you using the command prompt. So if you have logged on to the recovery mode, then what you need to do, you don't need to click restart my PC, but we just need to go to the C advanced option. So right now we need to actually click troubleshoot and then click the advanced option, not reset this PC. And now click the command prompt. So from the command prompt, we are going to do the following. We want to actually use the CD to actually change to a different directory, which is going to be the CD is going to change to drivers. Now we are changing to drivers, but at the same time, on this device, I don't have that issue on this device. So I'm not able to actually reproduce the issue I'm having on this device. But I can actually show you how to fix this problem. So what you want to do is the following. You want to actually use the same CD command to change to a folder called CrowdStrike. So if CrowdStrike have sent you an update, definitely there's going to be a folder on their device which is going to be CrowdStrike, and here you can see if I enter directory, you can see all the different files on this device. And then what you want to do is the following. You want to actually delete a folder which is called the C strip 0000291.xyx. So by deleting this folder, when you delete this folder, then you can actually now restart your device. But at the same time, we can actually use the command prompt. From the command prompt, what you just need to do is to enter the del, the del, and then enter the name of that file, and the folder will be deleted. But at the same time, because I'm not able to reproduce that issue on this device, I'm going to show you how to delete a .sys file. So let's say here you can see I have different files. That's a .sys file. So I'll be showing you how to delete that file. So right now you can see the command, the file you should actually delete should in case you are having a blue screen of death when CrowdStrike have sent you an update. So right now I'm going to delete this file. Just enter the WO. So when you enter the file name you want to delete, for example, just press del, that is the file name. For example, you can see the example here, .sys, and when you press del, automatically the file will be deleted, and you can see that file is no more available on this device. So you can do that to the following file, which is the C strip 0000291.xyx, and then when you delete that file, reboot your device and you should be able to log on to your device. Thank you very much for watching my video. My name is Kelvin Johnson, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT related video. And if you have any question, please don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section of this video. Bye.